Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton Inn Saint Augustine I-95. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This Florida hotel is off Interstate 95 and 7 miles from the Historical District Saint Augustine. This hotel features an outdoor pool and a microwave and refrigerator in every room. Hampton Inn Saint Augustine I-95 offers daily breakfasts and newspapers in the lobby. The hotel offers laundry facilities and a copy service. Rooms at the 1-95 Saint Augustine Hampton Inn offer cable TV and free Wi-Fi. Guests will find a coffee maker and ironing facilities in every room. Hampton Inn Saint Augustine is within a 25-minute drive of Saint Augustine Lighthouse and Anastasia State Park. The hotel is 9 miles from the Saint Augustine Airport. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.